Hello students. Okay. Today we are going to study what the indicators. This word indicator means what? Okay. Actually we are studying the chapter which? Acid, bases and salts. Okay. These indicators are used, okay, in order to detect whether the substance is acidic in nature or basic in nature or neutral in nature. Okay. So these indicators, they say about the substances that they are acidic, basic or neutral. Okay. So these indicators are of two types. Okay. Natural indicators and artificial indicators. When we are saying about natural indicator, it means what? We are getting it naturally in the environment. Okay, we are not making it, we are not preparing it. Okay, we are getting it from the nature. Okay, so when we are talking about natural indicators, it is of three types: litmus, turmeric, China rose. Okay, actually I am saying here three, but there are many beta. Okay, but you have to study only these three: litmus, turmeric and China rose. Okay. Now, when we are saying litmus, what is this litmus actually? This litmus, in the lab it is found in the solution form or in the form of paper strips. Okay. And generally we use what? The paper strips, and the solutions are used also, but for different experiments, okay, in which it is required. So this litmus, from where do we get this litmus? Actually we get this litmus from lichens. So what are lichens? Lichens are what? The symbiotic relationship between what? Algae and fungi. We have studied this earlier also, isn't it? Here what happens, this algae and fungi, they are having what? Symbiotic relationship. Naturally what happens in this? This algae provides food to fungi and fungi gives what? Shelter to algae. Okay, so here when we are seeing this, actually its natural color is purple, but in the strip form we get it in, or we have it in what? Blue color and red color. Okay, so red color and blue color strips are there. Okay, and actually these strips are used to what? Test whether the substance is acidic or basic in nature. If any substance is acidic in nature, naturally this blue litmus paper will turn what? Red in color. Okay, and yes, if it is basic in nature, then the red litmus paper will change into what? Blue color. Okay, now turmeric. You all know what is turmeric. It is haldi, isn't it? Which is found at home. Sometimes when you eat food, what happens? It falls on your clothes also, okay? And when you try to wash it with the soap, you see that the yellow color now has become red color, isn't it? Have you noticed that? If not, today you try at home, okay? Take a piece of cloth, okay? Add just a tinge of this haldi, or you can add the food just, okay? And then you go and wash it in the water, with soap, okay, it will turn red. Why does it turn red? Actually, it is also an indicator, okay. It is telling that yes, the substance is what? If yellow color changes to red color, okay, when you apply soap to it, soap is basic in nature, and as the result it is telling what? That yes, it is a base. Okay, actually what happens in acid or neutral substances, this color of the turmeric, this haldi, remains what? Yellow only. Okay, but with the base it turns brick red in color. Okay, now next is China rose. China rose, that gudhal ka phool. Okay, here this China rose, okay, I think so every house has this. Okay, just take that petals of this China rose flower, okay, and just you just take out what? By crushing it, take out the juice of that juice from that petals. Okay, it is actually red in color. Okay, so when you take it out, and just take it in a test tube I am using over here. You have taken what? This China rose, okay, solution, okay, which is what? Red in color. Okay, now what happens then? You add a acid. Acid के लिए क्या करोगे? Take the lemon, okay, and add some lemon juice in one test tube, okay, and then add the indicator, this China rose solution which you have taken out, okay, you will see that red solution, okay, this what China rose has now become pink, and this pink indicates that that is an acid. So lemon juice is what? An acid. Okay. Now regarding base, just take another test tube, okay, add what? Baking soda solution in it. Okay, baking soda is at home, isn't it? Take that baking soda solution and just add this solution of the China rose which you have taken, okay, in this. You will see that that white color has now gone, and you are seeing what? When you are adding this red color China rose solution, now the whole solution is green in color, indicating that that baking soda was what? Basic in nature. Okay. So we have seen about the natural indicators which you have to study, which is in your syllabus. Okay. Now we are coming to artificial indicators. So when I am saying artificial indicator, it means what? It is being prepared. Okay. So two types of artificial indicators which you have to study is phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Okay. Phenolphthalein, when you see it, it is colorless in nature. Okay. इसका कोई color नहीं होता है. ठीक है. अब methyl orange indicator is orange in color. Okay. Now, what you have to do, just take a test tube, okay, add some base in it, okay, and then add what? Phenolphthalein. Okay, or you take phenolphthalein in the test tube and add some base to it, you will see it changes pink in color. Okay, but what happens to the acid? Okay, you are having phenolphthalein solution in the test tube, you are adding what? Any acid to it, few drops of any acid, you will not see any color change because it remains colorless in nature. Okay, now taking methyl orange, orange in color. Okay, now take in a test tube methyl orange, okay, or you take the base, anything you can do, okay, and you will see what? Now this, if you are adding a base, this orange color changes to yellow color, okay, and when you are adding what? Acid, it changes red in color. You are saying by seeing the change in color, okay, we are just knowing that whether the substance is acidic or basic in nature. So indicators, they say about the acidic nature or the basic nature of any substance. So I think so students, you might have understood it. Okay. So this is all for today. Good day. Take care.